This 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, that is an equation. 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1, that is another equation. Now, what do you think? Is it an algebraic equation or linear equation? What do you think?
Linear equation.
Is it an algebraic equation?
No.
What is an algebraic equation? And what is the difference between this type of equation and algebraic equation? Can you say? Allengil,
No.
can you say one example of an algebraic equation?
Yes. Fx.
What is fx?
Sorry, 5x. Sorry.
5x. Okay, 5x equal to or 5x plus something.
5 into x is equal to 5x.
5 into x equal to
5x.
okay, right side. You say once more the right side. 5x is equal to, can you complete that?
5 into x.
5 into x. That is, then what is the value of x, or otherwise 5x equal to, if I write 10, that is an equation. If I write 5x equal to 10, that is an equation, because one value of that x, it will be correct. Hello? One value of x, this equation will be true. Which value of x? Which value of x this equation will prove? What is the value of x here?
5 into 2.
The value of x is 2. For the value of 2, this equation will true. So for the value of 2, that means 5 into 2 only 10. Only one value of x, this equation will true. Okay, so it is the difference between an algebraic equation and a normal equation. Here it is a normal equation. Here we are using only numbers, but here we can see one variable. Okay, if there is some variables in an equation, that type of equations are known as algebraic equations. Okay, now here we are studying linear equations. Linear algebraic equation. Then what is the difference between linear and the other type of equations, that I will say. Now if you listen here, x plus 2 is equal to 5. That is a linear equation. Then if I write x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, or otherwise any value. Then the first one is a linear equation, but the second is not a linear equation. Then can you say what is the difference? First one is linear equation, but the second one is not a linear equation. What is the difference between that two, you think?
Square varan padilla.
Here the power is 2. Here the power is 1 only. Okay. Then if the power of the variable is 1, then that type of equations are known as linear equation. Here the power is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic. If the power is 3, then it is a cubic equation. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾക്ക് പവർ ഏത് വേരിയബിൾ എഴുതിയാലും വേരിയബിളിന്റെ പവർ 1 ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന ഇക്വേഷൻ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ. All of you clear? So I will give some more examples of linear equation. If I write x plus y, that is equal to 8.
You want to write in the notebook now?
No, nothing you write now, only listen.
Okay.
And 3x minus 7 is equal to 10, or otherwise x by 5 plus z by 3, that is equal to y. These all are examples of linear equation. These all are examples of linear equation, because here we can see all the variables having the power 1. Here x in the power 1 ആണ്. Here this value of y അതിന്റെ power 1 ആണ്. Here x power 1, z in the power 1. So here all the powers of that variables are 1. So these type of equations are known as linear equation. Okay, now here we are studying linear equation in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So the first one, that is not an example of linear equation in one variable, because here we can see two variables. രണ്ട് വേരിയബിൾ ഉണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതൊരു ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇൻ വൺ വേരിയബിൾ അല്ല. ഇനി സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ്, ബിക്കോസ് ദർ ഓൺലി വൺ വേരിയബിൾ എക്സ് എന്ന് ഒരു വേരിയബിൾ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, അതിൻ്റെ പവറും 1 ആണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇൻ വൺ വേരിയബിൾ. ദെൻ വാട്ട് അബൌട്ട് ദ തേർഡ് വൺ? Third one?
No.
No, it is
No.
linear equation, but there is more than one variable. One variable ulla equation alla. Here we can see x, y and z. Three variables are there. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോണത് ഈ ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ്
Can you say the reason why that third one is not a linear?
Here we can see three variables, z another variable and y is one more variable. Three variables are there. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത് linear equation in one variable. These all are linear equations, but here the second one only linear equation with one variable. Now you got it?
Yes.
Okay. Here only we can see linear equation with one variable. Okay. So these type of equations we are studying now. That means linear equation in one variable. Okay. So
Miss, you want to write this in notebook?
no, you please wait. I will say. Here, before that you listen. What is the difference between constants and variables? That also you studied in last year. What is the difference between constants and variable? Can you say some example?
5 is a constant.
5 is a constant. And these type of any numbers, that means the values are fixed for that. So 5.
There is a fixed value for.
Fixed value for a value for constants. 5, -10, 0. These all are constants.
8.
And variable means the values are varying. So as an example, we can write the variables as any alphabet. X, A,
B,
T, Y. These all are examples of variables. Okay. The
This
value
is
of this any variable, any alphabet means that is 26 alphabets we can take in as variable. Okay. Then for the variables we are using this way the small letters of that alphabets that are we can take as variable. Variables means the values are changing or varying, but in case of constants the values are fixed. Okay. Then these constants and variables we can join by some operations. Okay, ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു വേരിയബിൾ എടുത്തു, ഒരു കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് എടുത്തു, x+5 ഒരു ഓപ്പറേഷൻ വെച്ച് ഞാൻ ഇതിനെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു. Now it is changed as an expression. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Now it is known as expression. Okay, variables and constants are joined by some operations that are known as expressions. Now if I write 5x, that is also an expression, or otherwise 3x plus y, that is another expression. Here x and y two variables and 3 is one constant, and first we multiply 3 and x and then we add. That means here two variables and two operations. Now if I write x minus y divided by z, that is also an expression. There we can see three variables and two operations, one subtraction and one division. So these all are examples of expressions. All of you clear? Then first we take constants, that means any number. Then variable, any alphabet. ഈ കോൺസ്റ്റൻസിനെയും വേരിയബിൾസിനെയും ഏതെങ്കിലും ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് വെച്ച് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പം നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ഈ എക്സ്പ്രഷനെയൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ എന്തിനോടെങ്കിലും ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ അപ്പോൾ അത് ഇക്വേഷനായിട്ട് മാറും. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ x+5 എന്നുള്ള എക്സ്പ്രഷനെ ഞാനൊരു വാല്യൂവിനോട് ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാം. x+5 = 8 എന്ന് എഴുതി. Now it is changed as an equation. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊരു ഇക്വേഷനായിട്ട് മാറി, ബിക്കോസ് ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ സി വൺ ഈക്വൽ സിമ്പൽ. ഇനി 5x, അടുത്ത എക്സ്പ്രഷനാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ 5x. 5xനെ ഞാൻ 5x = 15 ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. Now it is changed as an equation. Then another expression here, that is 3x plus y. ഈ 3x plus y നെ ഞാൻ വേറൊരു നമ്പറിനോടോ വേണമെങ്കിൽ എനിക്കൊരു വേരിയബിളിനോടോ ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇസഡ് മൈനസ് 3 വേറൊരു വാല്യൂവിനോട് ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. നൗ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ ചേഞ്ച്ഡ് ആസ് ആൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ. നൗ ദ സെയിം വേ എക്സ് മൈനസ് വൈ divided by z. Okay, now that is equal to 15. ഞാൻ എഴുതി. Now it is also an equation. Now all of you clear what is constant, variable, expression, equation? All of you clear? ഇത്രയും മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Anyone have doubt in this? You please give a message. ഇതിനകത്ത് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉള്ളവരൊന്ന് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്തേ. What is constant, variable, expression, equation? Okay, listen now. Once more you listen. Expression means any fixed value, number. Then variable, that is an alphabet that is varying. The values are varying there. Then expression, constants and variables joined by some operations we can form expression. These expressions are equate to any of the value, then that is changed as an equation. Okay, now in this equation x plus 5 is equal to 8. Here one value of x only satisfies that equation. Which is that value of x? You know, which value of x satisfies this equation?
3.
3. Okay,
3.
that is correct. 3 plus 5 only 8. X ന് 3 എന്ന് കൊടുത്താൽ മാത്രമേ equation correct ആവുള്ളൂ. So this 3 is the value of that expression, satisfies it. Okay, so this 3 is known as, what is the name of this 3? Solution. ആ 3ക്ക് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് solution. Okay, so the value of the variable that satisfies the equation, that is known as solution of that equation. Then can you say the solution of this second equation?
5 into 3
That is
is 3.
3.
That is
3 itself.
also
5 into 3
3.
is equal to 15.
Okay, that is also 3. Then what is the, this way we can find the solution of any of the equation. This way we can find the solution of any of the equation. Okay, so here we are studying the equations with one variable, and the power of that variable is 1. Okay, അതാണ് linear equation. Power 1 ആയിട്ടുള്ള equation. Variables in the power 1 ആയിരിക്കും, ഒരു വേരിയബിളേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. So that type of equations are known as linear equation. In your higher classes you will study quadratic equation, cubic equation, everything, and how can you solve that way the equations, that also we will study in your higher class, class 9 and in your higher classes. Okay, ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷനും ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ്റെ സൊല്യൂഷൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യണമെന്നും. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൺലി. Okay, so all of you take your notebook and take a new page. Take a new page and you can write chapter 2. Here, linear equations in one variable. In your textbook you can see the same name, chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Okay, then below you write, first you write algebraic equation. One heading you write, algebraic equation. In your page number 21 you can see what is an algebraic equation. In italics you can see an algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables.
Miss, page number can you tell one more time?
Page number 21. 21 last, you can see the same sentence.
So what is the first
Heading?
heading after the
Algebraic
chapter
equation.
setting?
Give the heading algebraic equation. Then did you see?
Yes.
An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Involving variables. Then below you write linear equation. Linear equation. Linear equation.
Miss, only that up to involving variables.
Yeah, that much only. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Then below you write linear equation. Then below you can write in a linear equation.
Can I tell from the
First one, algebraic equation. Did you write that? Algebraic equation.
Yes, miss.
Then below the next heading you will give linear equation. Linear equation. Then you can write what is the importance of linear equation, you know. The highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, so below you write in a linear equation. In a linear equation.
Next heading is linear equation.
Next heading linear equation. First you write algebraic equation. All of you completed that.
Miss, what is it? How up to where, miss? That algebraic expression definition.
Algebraic expression you write only that sentence in italics. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Only that much.
Yes,
After
miss.
you write linear equation. Linear equation. Then below you can write in a linear equation. In a linear equation, the highest power of the variable, the highest power of the variable highest power of the variable is 1. Highest power of the variable is 1.
Miss, can you say that sentence one more time?
Okay, can you see the board? Now I am writing the, you just look. In a linear equation, the highest power of the variable is 1. The highest power of the variable is 1.
This time.
Okay,
Time
okay.
off.
Miss, time is over.
One more sentence, after that you can complete. Okay, just below you write linear equation in one variable. Next heading, linear equation in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, that is clear. In a linear equation, if there is only one variable, that is known as linear equation in one variable. Then you can give some more examples. That is only linear equation in one variable. You give the heading and below you can give this way some examples. X plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 minus x is equal to 7. Then x by 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. These all are linear equations with the one variable. ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് വേരിയബിൾസിന്റെ പവർ നിങ്ങൾ വിചാരിക്കുക എക്സ് മാത്രമേ എഴുതാവുള്ളൂ. ഒരു 1-2 എക്സാമ്പിൾ കൊണ്ട് എഴുതിക്കോ. y minus 3 is equal to 2. Then y plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 3. These all are examples of linear equation with one variable. Okay, then today only this much. All of you revise this portion. What is equation, expression, constant, linear equation? These all you revise once more. Okay, do you have any doubt there? Please wait.